In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your low beam bulb on your Chevy Sonic. It's located on the front of the car. We're going to remove our filler neck for the washer reservoir, make it easier to get to this. To do that, you're just going to turn it to the left and remove it. Now we can get to our low beam. Remove this cover by turning it to the left and pull it off. Set it aside, and in here is the low beam. You're going to go in, you're going to turn it to the left again and pull it out. Now we're going to disconnect the connector, push down on this and pull the bulb out. Now we're going to install our bulb. Make sure you're wearing gloves when handling bulbs. You're going to press it in. And now we're going to insert it back in there. Make sure you line up the bulb. Once you insert it in and it feels like it's flush, you're going to turn it down and lock it in. Now we're going to put our cover on. And you're just going to line that up as well. Press it in and then turn it to the right. Now you're going to test your bulb by turning on the lights. Make sure the low beam works. And the process is the same on the other side. For those of you that remove this, I'm going to show you how to put it back in. You're going to find the two prongs that are sticking out. If you look down at the reservoir, there's two prongs that stick out, and you're going to feed them through these two slots on the filler neck. And now you're going to turn it to the right to lock it in. Make sure that O-ring is fully seated before turning it to the right. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.